Google is ramping up its AI and now launching a lot of products globally. Not only that, but Google has also brought in its core search business with a heavy dose of artificial intelligence and also rolling out its AI chatbot Bard to Australia and a lot of other countries. Bard, the tech giant's rival to ChatGPT, was announced 2 months ago, but just yesterday, it's at its I/O conference, Google revealed that it is now available in 180 countries, including Australia. Previously, it was only available in US and UK. Google has also used that event to unveil new technologies around AI, including a smartphone and tablet that sells for less than $1,000. But in this video, I'm just going to touch upon four key announcements in terms of AI, which are very relevant to Australia, and they are quite big product announcements. First one is Palm 2, which is Google's new flagship next generation language model. I have another video on Palm 2, and I will put the link in the video description too. If you're interested in that LLM, please have a go and have a look at it. Second announcement is around search generative experience, which is the integration of AI into Google search engine so that it crafts responses to open-ended queries on top of the usual search results. Pretty nifty. Third announcement is global rollout of Bard, which I already have discussed. And another feature of Bard, which I forgot to mention earlier, is around multimodal abilities, which are there now. Then the fourth and final one is Duet AI, which is primarily an integration of Palm 2 into Google's workspace apps, which are Gmail, Docs, Slides, and Sheets. And also, it can delve into text, spreadsheet, and some other media. These announcements reflect Google's response to Microsoft / OpenAI's counterpart products like GPT-4, Bing Search, ChatGPT, Office 365, Copilot, respectively. Right now, we are seeing the consolidation, or in other words, platformization of AI productivity tools such as search, automated workflows, summarization, text generation, and a lot of other things. I'm really curious to find out what will the future hold for smaller players. I think we are going towards AI as a service, which might become less popular business model among small medium enterprises because less businesses to pivot AI as their core service as it's a risk competing with big tech. Rather, SMEs might focus or move to other service lines beyond the scope of big tech, but which could still benefit from AI integration. For example, your main service is content creation, which can now be more cost efficient and scalable by integrating AI. But the AI is not your main product. In this scenario, market will start to perceive AI as more of an underlying infrastructure resource like internet rather than a standalone hype technology. These are my thoughts. What do you think about it? Whatever your feedback is, please put it into the comment section. Thank you.